Welcome to Module 4, Working with Buyers. In this module, you'll learn how to work with residential home buyers from initial contact through the entire home buying process to a successful closed transaction, including an after-the-sale connection plan. You're in the Overview and Downloads. Buyer Sales Cycle and BDA, the before, during, and after concept is next. Finding and cultivating buyers, how to conduct a buyer consultation and qualify will follow. Want to go through the art of showing homes. Yes, there is an art to showing homes effectively. Then tips on writing and submitting offers so that you can get them accepted, negotiating, closing the sale, selling new homes, the after the sale connection plan, and then let's get to work checklist. Now, in our training program, we're not getting into the specifics of forms and protocols and rules and regulations for your area. You'll need to get with your local broker or manager for that. We're going to basically cover everything about working with buyers from A to Z. And we've also included some forms that are always located right here in the Overview and Downloads section. Just go to the right sidebar. You can download them all individually, or you can download them as a zip file. And it includes things like a lead form, a great buyer questionnaire, a buyer consultation PowerPoint you can use, scripts and common objections, and a really cool form that I'll go into later called the House Rater form. All right, that's it. Get your downloads, get ready to dive in, and learn how to work with buyers effectively. See you in the next lesson.